All right, it is time for Foodie Friday, brought to you in part by Iowa Beef and Iowa Pork. The NFL playoffs, of course, start tomorrow. That will, of course, lead up to the big game in about a month.
Wink. Yes.
But there are other competitions going on, and some are quite tasty. That includes the Meat Bowl. That's what we're doing today. We've got 2 recipes today. They are entered by you guys, so these are some special ones. So first one we have is a beef onion burger, Steve's beef onion burger. That's entered by Teresa Owens. The other one is a pork shoulder smoker recipe, entered by Becky McLean. Zane's got it in front of him too.
Right. Yes. There's the pork shoulder.
All right. So the recipes are being brought to us by What Barbecue and Bar in LeClaire. Mike and Shell Hunter are the owners. Mike is going to explain to us here now how he prepared these 2 things for us.
Cooked it for about 8 hours at 225 degrees in the smoker. What we did prior to putting the pork shoulder in, we lathered it in mustard and then put brown sugar all over it. And then we seasoned it with onion powder, some garlic salt, paprika, and then the recipe also called for Weber's steak and chop seasoning. What we did here was I took a pound of ground sirloin, diced up a Vidalia onion, mixed it in there with some Worcestershire sauce and some black pepper. Now we're frying it up in a pan.
Oh, wow. That sounds great. All right, I guess it's time to try it now.
Which one are we trying first?
What do you want to try?
We're going to try to say Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire. All right, let's do the burger first.
Okay.
All right, let's try it first.
The onion burger.
Ooh. That is good. That is good.
Very oniony.
Very
I'm not like in a... I mean, I'm not usually big on onions, but this is good. There's some flavor.
You know, the funny part is, I think somebody gave me 2 in buns, like at the bottom, 2 bottom buns. That's okay though. We appreciate it. Very delicious though. That's a good recipe. All right, so I guess we'll try the.
And the burger's well made too, not just the recipe. Yeah, it's not tough or undercooked or anything like that. All right,
that's tasty.
And
all right,
I'm
ready
gonna clean the palate out here.
You gotta get
Should've
the palate
brought my
cleaned
water
up.
bottle
I know,
over.
I know. I brought the hand sanitizer, but not the water.
All right.
Ready for the pork shoulder?
Yes.
All right. Ooh. That is good as well. Oh wow, that flavor.
Yes.
Wow.
No, very good.
That's gonna be tough to pick a winner.
I was trying to remember all of the stuff he said was in this recipe, the seasonings and the mustard and the brown sugar and then all the everything else.
Yeah, that's at the beginning of the flavor there. That's fantastic. Wow.
Great
start to the meat bowl, don't you think?
Yes.
That's wonderful. Wow, job well done. Yeah, so thank you to Teresa and Becky and the folks at What Barbecue and Iowa Beef and Pork. That was fantastic. And it's just starting, folks. This is we're going to be doing this all the way until the end. So to enter the Meat Bowl yourself, you can go to the Meat Bowl tab on OurQuadCities.com. There you can submit your favorite recipe using beef or pork.